Hello, my name's Mike. I'm from Access Irrigation. Today we're looking at reel irrigators, and I have a couple of examples here from Orma, one of the Italian brand of reel irrigator manufacturers. I have here the smaller one, which is the 25 by 50 meter diameter pipework, and the larger one, which will do a football pitch or rugby pitch, which has 120 meters of 40 mil pipe. They both have similar designs. Obviously the bigger one is more robust for bigger areas, but the smaller one has similar sort of features. They have a turbine drive which drives the reel and rewinds the hose, and the beauty of a turbine drive is that it reduces the pressure loss in the system, so you're getting more pressure at your sprinkler where you want it and less pressure lost rewinding the hose afterwards. So what we'll do is we'll look at the two individually and then go through the various features and see them operating as well. Okay, this is the larger unit now. This is especially suitable for rugby or football pitches. It has 40mm diameter hose and it has 120 meter length of hose on the reel, which means you can do the whole of a cricket pitch or rugby pitch in 2 goes. It has a number of features. Obviously it's more robust and stronger than the little units. It has 3 pneumatic wheels and it's easily manoeuvrable around via this handle here, which also has a towing hitch for a small tractor unit. To make sure it doesn't move anywhere, it has this locking mechanism which you simply just push in and lock off, and that will stop the unit from moving and make it very robust. You have a mechanical lock for the reel here, and there's also a lock inside for it when we pull it out. It comes with a connection hose for connecting onto your irrigation system, and it has the same features as the smaller one. So we have adjustable lever valve there which alters how fast the reel will reel back in. And we've also got the turbine mechanism here as well, which means that it'll won't take any of the pressure that the sprinkler's using, or minimal pressure the sprinkler is using to rewind it. So it's very efficient, and it'll work from something like 2.5 bar up until 5.5 bar. So it's a good working range there. At the front we've also got the stop mechanism, which means that as soon as the sprinkler comes back to the reel, then it'll switch off the water supply to it. We've got a large diameter sprinkler head on the front of it, easily adjustable via those 2 points here, and we've got wheels on this one as well, which means it can go over fairly coarse or rough ground without bogging itself down. Okay, let's have a look at how we connect it up. Well, first of all, we've connected to our irrigation system here, and again we've got that pull out valve there that we can stop off. So how do we get the reel out? Well, first of all, take the mechanical lock off, and then inside here you'll find another lock that you can just release as well. On the front of the unit we have a chain and a click for locking it in position. So release those to start with. Make sure we've disconnected the locking mechanism, and then we can simply pull out our sprinkler to our desired position. Once we do that, it will then release this bar, which means that we can connect inside here the stop mechanism to our stop valve. It's a question of simply pushing it up and then clicking it into position. Like so. Okay, now let's just pull this out. Okay, now that's finished. Same principle, just evacuate any water that's left in it by pulling up on the stop valve. Disconnect your geeker hose. Put the lock onto the machine itself to stop it moving too much. And round the front here, just need to put the lock onto there, save that moving around too much. Then undo the brake. Like so, release it, and then off we go.